So we just made sure Smart's working, and now we got to talk cabling, and this is a big part of the lab. What's going on here is your computer, of course, is going to USB or Thunderbolt up to your interface. Your interface is going to drive 2 outputs out of it. And it's going to be the same signal. You're going to be running the signal generator, pink noise or a sine wave from Smaart, and one output, probably output 2, the aux output from Smaart, it's going to loop right back into itself. So output 2 of Smaart goes into input 2 of Smaart, and that provides the reference for any transfer curves you do. Output 1 of Smaart, same exact signal, is going to go probably, if your interface is 1/4 inch, it'll probably come out 1/4 inch. If your interface is XLR, it'll probably come out XLR. But it's going to go, and initially, we're going to have 2 drawings. We'll visit one in a moment. But initially, we're going to come out 1/4 inch to XLR. So you're going to need some 1/4 inch to XLR cables. We got them all around here. There's a big pile right here. It's going to be 1/4 inch to XLR male. Of course, that's the wrong one. Of course, that's the wrong one. But that's the right one. So here's a 1/4 inch to XLR male. So this would come out of your interface. And that one's really yucky. Hopefully that one works, to XLR. And then initially you're going to need a Y cable. And this one will probably be different than one you have when you do the lab. This one's kind of janky. It's got a ton of adapters on it. But essentially, you're converting your 1/4 inch output of your interface output number 1 into two males. And why are you doing this? Because one of them is going to go off to a mixer so you can hear the output of Smaart, mixer and a speaker. So make sure you have a mixer and a speaker. Right now for the videos, we got the M32 and some speakers set up over here so you can hear the noise. And then the other half is going to feed right back into Smaart interface number 1. And so you can measure. We can do a transfer curve between this loop and that loop. What you're going to do in the lab is put a piece of gear in between the cable coming from your interface and the Y cable, and you're going to test the piece of gear. So I basically need to set this all up, and I need to get make a transfer curve of this and set up the signal generator. So I'll do that in the next video.